imagine you're 50 feet in the air, you got to undo that nut, and there's a brand new Corvette right below you. You can't drop it.
Today is the Engineering Expo. It's an annual expo that brings together all different industries in Tampa Bay area and allows students from elementary, middle school to high school to come and kind of see what there is to offer in the world of STEM engineering specifically. And we as TECO, we take up the whole hall of flags, the fishbowl is what we call it here, and we put on a large display of everything because TECO is such a large industry. We have power, so generation, power supply, get people's gas, and energy delivery.
You want to be a doctor? Do it. But if you're unsure, trade schools, something like what we do, they pay you to go to the apprenticeship. I knew literally nothing about this when I first started.
We're out here right now at USF showing off a bit of the equipment and tools and safety equipment that we use on a day-to-day job. The last group of kids that came out here, they couldn't wait to get over here because this seems like one of the most interesting things over here because there's so much to mess around with, a lot of stuff that we were showing them.
And today here we're at the Expo to educate the youth on natural gas, on where does it come from, how we transport it to the end user, and just to talk to them about a little bit about some safety topics, what to do in case students smell gas at home, what to do and what not to do.
So this is basically a simulation showing where do we get natural gas from. It shows that where natural gas is extracted from, and to the point of the processing and the compressor station, and it shows you the route from where we get natural gas from to your homes and to where the other end users that we do have.
It's actually cool coming back. It's been a while since I've been here, so you get to see the new developments, new people. We get to network within TECO as well. For example, I met a couple of our co-ops that are in distribution, so it's a good internal networking as well as external, getting to meet a bunch of people and kids and providing that information on what we can offer as a company, but it's kind of like the cool parts of it, the kindergarteners to high schoolers find interest in it, and hopefully it gives them the idea to continue in that direction of being an engineer or in STEM.